What's the meaning of aisle? Aisle. 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 Aisle.
An aisle is a passage or walkway that runs between rows of seats, shelves, or other structures. It is typically narrow and is designed to allow people to move between the structures on either side. Aisles are commonly found in buildings such as churches, theaters, supermarkets, and libraries. They can also be seen in transportation vehicles like airplanes and trains. The word aisle comes from the French word aile, which means wing. The primary function of an aisle is to provide access to the structures on either side and facilitate movement.